I'm James.
I'm Courtney.
And we're from Beaumaris.
We've been together close to 15 years, and so we've spent a lifetime together as friends and married for a good section of that as well. So living in the house, we have both of us, and then we have the 3 kids, the 3 girls, Caitlin, Emma and Zoe. And then we have our dog Scout as well. So it's a loved, well lived in house. We're constantly moving through and enjoying each aspect, the backyard through to the front, and so you can probably see we're in and out all the time, and the floors are part of that.
Well, when we first moved in, there was a real mishmash of different floors through the house. We decided to go with the Heartridge Riviera in particular, just because of the colour and just a consistent hard-wearing floor right the way through the house.
They're quick to mop, easy with spills with the young kids. We'll find a quick vacuum and a mop and it's back to like brand new straight away. The warmth of the floorboards are amazing. The real timber on top through the engineered floorboard. We really love the texture. I always walk barefoot through the house just because of the feeling of the floorboards and how natural and beautiful it is and smooth to walk through.
I think the other thing I really like is it looks slightly different in each part of the house. And so there's different parts of the wood that obviously it brings out a different sort of feel in each area, and so just finding those little nuances as you walk through the house is really great as well.
I have to say, one of my favourite aspects when friends come over is they always go, "We love your floorboards, we love the colour and how bright and light your house is." And so it's kind of like a selling point for us, having the floorboards in the oak colour and the durability and the hard-wearing nature we love.
But we actually left the house when we had the product installed, the flooring installed, and so when we came back, the builders made a comment to us about how much they'd enjoyed working with it and how quickly it had gone in. So we installed the floor about, I think, 4 years ago now, and in that time it's just, it looks as good as the first day we installed it, which is fantastic and definitely what we were looking for when we chose the product.